we're going to we are going to the mall and we're going to the cinema. Yay! I like it. Sorry. It's I need to find a
Maybe I should. Slow down. That's what guys usually say before they never call me again. Maybe we should slow
And
down.
now
Perhaps we're gonna take a
we
break.
are
Why don't they
going
just tell the
to
truth? Say, I don't have
the
the balls for
mall.
this sort of thing. I just don't have the balls for it. Sweetheart,
wanted sweetheart
maybe you should go
forever.
think about this.
Wow, guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
Stronger forever. Okay.
Someone commented and told me that I should be embarrassed. They were acting like me reading about two stepbrothers banging it out was like problem.
Are you in a shopping mall?
Sure. No one's gonna come at me about my spicy books, okay? Not gonna happen. Someone commented.
Sa mga nagtatanong ng collection ko, recommended ko talaga itong mga nasa
It's in.
mga lalaki ng mga yan. Itong pink, huwag yan, sa akin yan, naligaw lang yan. Sandali lang! Charot lang, ito talaga yung natin dito.
I need ticket, please. Here you go. Okay.
This one is Yara.
Here you go. Thank you. Bye.
Perfect. Very sweet. Ito na, wait lang!
I want burger, popcorn, soda, and all. I want it. Yes.
Sa mga
Here you go. Thank you. Bye. Wow, new movie. Yes. Yay. What's this? It's not poison. It's a burger. I need to eat the burger. Snickers. Yay. Yummy. I'm done. Wow. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is closed. This shop is closed. Do not skip. I have a tea. Snack first.
Okay, walk around, leave. Ang mga sales rep na inuuso lang nila magbenta. Don't listen to them.
I have
Say,
a. Oh my god.
pag makakabalik ka,
Thank you. I'm full.
shopping, kumain ka muna, mag-check-out ka muna ng mga magandang pogi dyan sa paligid mo. Whatever you want to do. Unless you're 100%
Nice,
sure.
nice. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for cinema. Thank you for cinema. Thank you. Bye.
For how many ano yan? What age?
It's 3 years old.
Sure?
Yes. I have it. Bye.
Kumain ka ng gulay. Kumain ka ng gulay.
I need to go. Right. I need to go. School. I'm hungry. Yes. Oh, I don't have a gas. I need gas station. It's not working. Okay. It's not working. Let's go to the gas station.
Without directions from the website, hold your phone and place your finger in our might
Hindi ako late sa school. 9 hours. Okay. This is a Filipina. This is the Philippines.
Tinanong sila kung sa camera ako'y nakikita mo sa mga kahit magpasa ka. Uuwi nga ako ng ulat ng puto. Tutulog ako sa mga Nagsaksak pala ako ng kutsi. Nagsaksak pala nila ako dito.
I have my back.
Lambing lang namin yun. Yung mga top 10 moments ng story.
I'm done. Thank you. Thank you, goodbye. Good morning. Good afternoon. Pass. I'm done. Thank you. Jesus, thank you for the book. I need to wash your hands. Yes. Okay. Oh my god. Gabi na! Oh my god! But Jun! Today I really learned something. Thank you, Pass. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Did I get it wrong? Okay. There's a Filipino. Okay, thank you so much. It's written! When? It's just like time. No, you're not. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Ha 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 ha. Yeah.
Tawag sa amin ng mami ni Carlo. Ano itong balita na kasama mo?
Thank you. Jesus, thank you
Bakit
for the
bilis pa?
message.
Ito ba?
Goodbye, teacher. See you again. Now go home na! Yay!
Tsaka na.
I need to go. Thank you. Welcome. Sobrang nantok ako.
Nasaan yung mga babasura? Nasaan yung mga basurero? Nasaan yung mga basurero?
Dito lang po sa dalawa sa madalas sa palengke.
Wala pa naman ang kuryente.
Subscribe and YouTube channel.